guys, Dotson guys, MarineMax Charleston here. We got a 2019 177 Winyah Bay. This is the Sport with the Winyah Bay option. Right now we've got the shark gray hull on this particular boat. We've got the trolling motor panel on the front, so you can have this full fishing deck as a full fishing machine. Moving forward, we've also got the optional stereo. So we've got 2 speakers in the bow, the Fusion system, and then 2 speakers in the stern. This is a Bluetooth system. Being with this boat is the Winyah Bay package. We've got this boat equipped with a polling platform, the battery charging system for your trolling motor, and as well as the push pole holders and the aft fish boxes. So these are storage as dry storage as well as tackle block storage. This boat does have a cushion that's option, or that's here, that's standard. It's just over in storage. Moving underneath there, we've got an integrated 74 quart igloo cooler with tackle storage and then knife and plier storage. You can see along that back edge, that is where you can store your life jackets, and again, pull those boxes out if you don't want the true dry storage. This boat is also optioned with trim tab system. In standard, it's got the digital tacks. On the dash as well, we have the windscreen and grab rail option. And this boat also has the optional hydraulic steering, so we've upgraded that. We've also got the 90 upgraded Yamaha versus the standard 70. And then we've got the standard swim ladder on the back side. With that Winyah Bay package, again, you get the power pole bracket as well. So that's our 2019 177 Winyah Bay. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us out at MarineMax.com or 843-747-1889.